Hello friends! Do you have problems with large knives like this? You don't need to worry, we will show you an easy way to make it sharp again. Follow this video until the end so you can do it at home. Don't use this method. First, prepare the angle grinder and attach the fine sandpaper bit. Then rub with an angle grinder until clean. Then you can replace the eye with sand that is a little coarser. Then carry out the rubbing process again onto the large blade. You can also rub the handle. The big knife already looks new and sharp. Let's move on to the next process. Duct tape part of the blade of the bizzer knife. Then tie it. You can use any rope. The next stage we move to the painting process. Here I use super black spray paint. You can use any color paint. Spray at a certain distance until evenly distributed. Wait until dry. After it is partially dry, you can turn it over and paint the other side until it's even. Once dry, you can remove the duct tape. Look, this big knife looks clean and new. Now let's try the sharpness. Now it looks like this big knife not only looks new, but also very sharp. Thank you for watching. Good luck.